John is one guy you got to see. Loving John is just as happy as can be.
I love that John Dolphin is a Renaissance man, and John Dolphin was willing to step outside of the box. He wasn't willing to let anybody put him in a box to tell him what he could and could not do. I feel like I just want to be honest and authentic in telling his story. And I invite him in. Every night before I go on stage, or before we start the process, John, my method is to invite him in. Come on in, John, show me what to do. Along with the research, I know I've done the work, I've learned the music, I've done the research, I've learned the script. So I just invite him to come in and take over. And then at the end of the night, I'm like, thank you. Like, thank you so much. And blow him out.
Loving John, a better friend you'll never find. Loving John will always be a friend of mine. If you haven't dug him yet, boy, you sure